Learn how to make a beautiful flower with the help of cucumbers and carrots. In today's video, we will teach you how to make a very beautiful decoration design with the help of carrots and cucumbers in a very easy and beautiful way, which can be decorated on a plate and presented in a very beautiful way for the guests. For this, we have to cut the cucumbers and cut them in a circular shape from the middle. Now, we have to join these two cut parts at the top and bottom and make them in the shape of an S. See how beautifully we have made the shape of an S. Now we start arranging it in order, and along with this, we will also leave a small gap in the middle. We will cut some parts of the carrot finely, and as soon as we cut it, we will place it in the middle of this cucumber dish. As soon as we place it in the middle of the cucumber, it has become a beautiful flower. Now we have to put some small pieces of carrot on top of its side part, which will act as thin leaves. This is our beautiful decoration piece. It looks very beautiful to look at, and it looks very beautiful to look at. The guests will also look very beautiful.